Hi guys! Welcome back to Bam. For today's video, on topic natin is this palette from iMagic. The name of this palette is the Lorelei Makeup Palette. It's a multi-purpose palette. The packaging is made of parang cardboard lang siya. It's matte. It's compact naman, in fairness. Hindi naman siya sobrang kapal. And look at that! Ang cute niya. Nakikita na ako dun sa, sa nakaprint sa palette. And then, inside the palette, I love the fact that it has this huge mirror. Sobrang travel-friendly niya talaga kasi may mirror na siya. So, meron siyang 9 eyeshadows na merong 5 matte shades. And 4 shimmery shades. But it has these complete basic shades to complete a look. First, they have this white creamy eyeshadow, perfect for your brow bone. And then this very light brown can be used as a transition shade or a base color. And then they have this medyo tan brown. So maganda din siya for transition color. I used that as my transition eyeshadow for today. And then they also have this deep dark brown, which is really basic. Kailangan mo talaga siya to complete a look kasi to deepen the crease. And then they also have these 4 shimmery shades na merong medyo reddish undertone. And meron din siya nung chocolate brown siya na as in may shimmers lang siya. And then this one is medyo may pagka-golden undertone siya. And then this one, ito yung pang pang center ng lids mo. I also use that one for today. I actually use most of the shades from this palette except for the Search and Coins. But halos lahat nagamit ko talaga siya. And as for the highlighter naman, the highlighter is very universal din yung shade niya. Hindi lang masyadong kita. It looks white from the screen. But in person, it's medyo champagne. Champagne yung color niya. I really like the shade. Parang perfect siya for morena kasi medyo may golden undertone siya. And for the contour naman, the contour shade actually surprised me kasi usually multi-purpose palettes like this one, they have this either very shimmery bronzer shade, reddish undertone. So this one is just perfect. Yung tone niya, ang ganda. I love it. Yun ang masasabi ko. Na-surprise lang ako and it's very pigmented as well. So, medyo ingat lang. Kung medyo mabigat yung kamay mo, medyo ingat lang kasi nagulat din ako kanina. Kaya medyo I'm too snatched today kasi napasobra ako doon sa contour ko kanina. And for the blush naman, let's talk about the blush. They have 2 shades. So, generous of them na meron nang contour, highlight, and a blush. And they gave 2 shades of blushes pa. Oh my gosh. If you like a pinkier blush, you can use that. And they also have this peachy orangey shade, which is maganda din kung ang ini-aim mong look is medyo, summery look. Perfect siya for traveling kasi hindi mo na kailangang magdala ng another palette for highlight, another palette for contour, and another palette for blush and eyeshadow. And what I like about this palette is walang tapon. Alam mo yun, lahat talaga magagamit mo dito sa palette. I really like the fact that it has this complete basic eyeshadow shades. So yung mattes niya and yung shimmers niya, balance lang. Kasi minsan din sa mga ibang palettes, mapapansin mo sobrang daming shimmers, which is hindi siya maganda kung if you like more dimension for your eyes, hindi maganda yung puro shimmery siya. And yeah, siguro yung least favorite ko lang dito sa palette na to is the highlighter. Kasi I find it just a little bit lang naman, just a little bit chunky. Siguro compared dun sa mga ibang ginagamit kong highlight. I really cannot complain about that because for its price, since I got this for only 300 something, basta less than 400 siya kasi I got it on sale nung nag-launch lang si Lazada ng nila. Nung nag-launch na si iMagic ng official store nila kay Lazada, nag-sale sila noon. And then I saw this, hindi na ako nagdalawang isip pa, talagang check out kagad. Check out. add to cart, check out. So, actually, meron tong isa pang dalawa yung klase ng ganitong palette nila. Yung isa kasi, medyo light yung mga shades niya. Medyo pabebe yung mga shades niya doon. Alam mo, medyo peachy color siya. Pero kasi, I find this palette more versatile. Mas, siya, universal yung mga shades niya kesa dun sa isa. So, I'll just show you some of these swatches over here para mas kita nyo yung mas ma-appreciate nyo. So, for its price, para sa akin, super sulit siya. The eyeshadows, they're really creamy. Di mo kailangan ng primer for this. Just like for my look today, I didn't use any primer for this. Sobrang creamy nung mga shimmery shades niya, which I find very consistent sa lahat ng iMagic palettes. Kasi I already own 2 palettes from iMagic. And lahat ng shimmery shades nila, sobrang creamy. Yung parang basa yung texture niya. Hindi ko rin ma-explain kung bakit ganun yung feeling nung eyeshadow nila. And then, for the matte shades naman, they're not overly pigmented. But it is pigmented. The pigments are just enough. It's very blendable din naman. Hindi naman ako masyado nahirapan sa pag-blend sa kanya. They blend in together. Hindi siya patchy. Medyo may onting kickback lang talaga. Actually, medyo may kickback talaga siya kapag ginamitan mo ng brush. And of course, there will be fallouts. Hindi mo naman maiiwasan yun, especially for the shimmery shades. But I really cannot complain about that. I mean, for the price. And ang ganda kasi ng color payoff din niya talaga, considering na hindi ako gumamit na any eyeshadow primer. So yeah, I hope makita nyo to sa Lazada. I'll just put the link below and try it yourself. I think it's really worth it. If you want basic makeup and you want a complete look, get this palette. I swear, you're gonna like this. So guys, if you wanna see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So there you go guys. I hope you like my look today. It's very neutral. Perfect for any occasion naman siya. So, punta na sa Lazada o kaya sa Shopee. Hanapin nyo tong palette na to. I swear, hindi nyo pagsisisihan. Just try it. Pag-eksperimentohan nyo. Paglaruan nyo. It's really nice. It's perfect for your travel. It's very affordable. Wala akong masabing hindi maganda about this palette. And oh, yeah. Bonus. It's cruelty-free. So, kahit galing siya sa China, it says here that it's cruelty-free. So, that's it guys. I hope you like this look. and my video for today. And I hope to see you again next time. Bye!